That's my goal, and working on, so lucky to work with normal people, with the brilliant Lenny Abrahamson, the producer Catherine McGee, and all the amazing people that worked on it there last year. And that was a beautiful opportunity to do that. You're making work within a beautiful story, using all your experience to enhance Lenny's ideas, focusing on emotions. And so it was like working on the best personal project you could ever have dreamt of. So when it works like that and everything you've learned comes together in a project that's, although it's a commission if you like, the two things, I don't see any difference between the images or the end result. You're focusing on putting everything you know and into an experience and moving people with imagery. So yeah, I think that's kind of my way on. I'll mix the two.